Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Samsung supports live caption. Most phones running Android 10 or later do. Once done, make sure the phone is charged and unlocked so you can change settings without interruptions. Now open Settings and tap Accessibility. This is where the feature lives. You'll also want sound playing so you can test immediately. Enable Wi-Fi or mobile data if captions pull updates. This first step sets up permissions and puts you in the right menu to turn live caption on. Next, tap Live Caption and toggle it on. You'll be asked to grant microphone and caption permissions. Allow them so the system can process audio locally. Once enabled, customize language and the profanity filter to match your needs. You can also adjust caption size for readability and pick text color plus background opacity so captions contrast with content. Make sure to test with a short video. If captions lag, try lowering processing settings or restart the media app to force recalibration. To finish, test live caption across apps. Play a YouTube clip, a voice message, and a call recording so you confirm behavior everywhere. If captions are delayed or missing, first restart the app. If that fails, reboot the phone to clear audio processing caches. Make sure no third-party audio effects are interfering. If problems persist, reset live caption preferences in accessibility. This preserves data but clears custom settings. One key troubleshooting tip: update system software. Most caption bugs are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.